Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect JBL PartyBox to Bluetooth, quick method step by step clearly. To connect your JBL PartyBox to Bluetooth, start by turning on the speaker. Press the power button, usually located on the top or back of the device. Wait for the speaker to power up completely. Once powered on, locate the Bluetooth button on the speaker. This button often has the Bluetooth symbol on it. Press the Bluetooth button to activate the pairing mode. You should hear a sound or see a blinking light indicating that it's in pairing mode. Next, take your smartphone or device that you want to connect. Open the Bluetooth settings on your device. Ensure Bluetooth is turned on in the settings menu. Look for available devices in the Bluetooth settings list. You should see JBL PartyBox listed among the available devices. Select JBL PartyBox from the list to initiate the connection. If prompted, confirm the connection on your smartphone. Wait for a confirmation sound from the speaker to indicate a successful connection. Once connected, you can begin playing music through your JBL PartyBox. If you encounter issues, make sure the speaker is within range of your device. You may also want to disconnect any previous Bluetooth connections to avoid interference. Enjoy your music with the powerful sound of your JBL PartyBox. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.